Created in 1986, Magny-Lorraine is a French company specialized in selling and leasing heavy constructions and demolition equipment, such as excavators, graders, loaders, and others. In 2008, Magny-Lorraine has developed a groundbreaking system to reduce fuel consumption and operating cost of running this heavy machinery while minimizing the environmental impact and increasing the operator comfort level. Econergy is the evident answer to the demand and concerns of the construction market facing economical and risks on increased regulatory pressure for environmental protection and operator safety. Using the principle of potential energy conservation and transformation, this process relieves the engine pump group and allows a significant fuel consumption reduction by 25 to 50% and an increase of productivity. The Econergy system acts like a jib and counterbalances the forces exerted on the boom of the machine, making its weight almost null. Other advantages result from this revolutionary solution. It reduces noise pollution. It increases the service life of the machine. It improves the comfort of the operator by reducing vibrations. To understand how these benefits are achieved, we will compare the functioning of a traditional machine with the one of a machine fitted with the Econergy system. There are typically 5 main components which allow the movement of the boom: the heat engine, the pump, the main control block, the tank, the 2 boom cylinders connected in parallel. With a traditional machine, the pump activated by the heat engine provides the energy needed to lift the assembly constituted of the boom, the arm, and the fully loaded equipment. The 2 boom cylinders are connected in parallel and perform the same action simultaneously, whatever the movements realized. The potential energy resulting from each descent is lost in the tank, where the pressure is almost at zero. The pump also provides the energy needed for the functioning of each cylinder of the machine, the boom, the tool, the rotation. A large amount of energy is required in a very short amount of time to enable the propulsion of these different components, which results in significant noise from the engine, substantial vibrations of the machine, and an increase in fuel consumption. During the simultaneous movements of the different elements of the machine, pressure and flow are provided by the hydraulic pump, which takes the energy from the engine. With the Econergy system, developed by Magny-Lorraine, the process works differently. The system is based on the usual components of the machine, to which accumulators and the Econergy hydraulic controller block are added. The 2 boom cylinders are also dissociated and managed separately. The first cylinder works on a circuit directly connected to the Econergy regulation system and its hydropneumatic accumulators. The first cylinder works on a circuit directly connected to the Econergy regulation system and its hydropneumatic accumulators. The second cylinder stays connected to the standard hydraulic circuit. At ignition of the machine, the accumulators are not charged. With the first descent of the boom, the potential energy corresponding to the weight of the arm is no longer wasted to the tank and instead is redirected and stored in the accumulators. The system is ready for the next lifting of the boom, requiring less energy from the pump since it is now only used for compensating the weight of the load into the bucket. The accumulators counterbalance the weight of the boom. All the power of the engine through the pump is available for the other movements of the arm or the bucket, as well as the slewing and the displacement of the machine. In addition, through seamless and real-time integration, the Econergy system enables to fail back to traditional hydraulic circuit of the machine if required, to maintain optimal performance of the machine. The second circuit works to give energy corresponding to the weight difference resulting by the load. Weight of the load, which is 5 times lighter than the weight of the boom. The driver can more easily focus only on his work of loading the bucket. The system reduces at the same time the jolts during the sudden movements. Therefore, the pump is less used and the engine group develops less power to activate it. So the engine rotation speed can be reduced from 30 to 40%. It doesn't affect the speed of the machine and allows the reduction of its consumption and noise level. Older machines, as well as brand new models, can be equipped in accordance with the Machinery Directive by the Econergy system.